dear friends. Hello, lovely, lovely creative beings. Hey, today is a great day. I'm happy. Today's a great day. I'm happy. Today's a great day. I'm happy. I know I say it so very often. When you raise your hands in the air, you cannot feel unhappy. It's not possible. Did you know that? And promptly when you make it, something's changing inside yourself. Isn't that great? Isn't that great? These hints we have get from the one who has created us, or from the life who has created us. It is awesome, is it? And I want to wish you that you have that kind of happy day which you are feeling when you raise your hand and say, today is a great day, I'm happy. Also, if it's not true. just try it. It is so great. Yes. Do you know from what satisfaction is coming? Do you get satisfaction when you have this or that wish fulfilled? Or do you get satisfaction when you have done this or that work? Or do you get satisfaction in being with other people? Yes, satisfaction. I realized that in outer things, satisfaction is temporary. It comes and it goes. So when you have a wish and it is fulfilled, then you feel satisfied. But then another wish is standing on your doorstep, isn't it? And this chain is endless. It is so I have found 5 years or 6 years back, I have found the very first time a satisfaction inside myself. And this satisfaction is lasting. It's not going away. This is not meaning that my days are only satisfied and I'm satisfied all the time. No, that's not. But whenever I go inside, then there is a space, this little tiny room where I can go and can bath in my own satisfaction. And I found that this satisfaction is internal. It is not from the outside. Yes. So this means satisfaction. We can all find this satisfaction in ourselves. It's not outside. It's so good, and you can try it when you connect with yourself and just be inside for some time. It is good when you could do it daily. Spend some time with your creative being, and in fact your creative being is your soul. It is it has nothing to do with our perishable body. It is more old and is very powerful, very powerful. So when you get a connection with this source, then then there will be a day, there will be one day where you will find your satisfaction inside. And what I've found is that soul painting is a very, very good tool and very good instrument for that. Because with soul painting, you are very easily in the moment. And you do something what you like. And when you do something what you like, you have not many thoughts, is it? So I wish you all that you will find a way to your creative being, to your soul, and I wish for all of you that you get satisfaction from inside of yourself. When you like it, then this video, then you might subscribe. And also there are more exclusive freebies for you at happysoulpainting.com. Have a lovely, lovely day.